Welcome to Applications Guide. Today's video is about the basics of editing on Inshot app. First, you need to choose the video you will edit. Here you can choose the aspect ratio of your video, so I will choose YouTube ratio, which is 16:9. After that, it's time to add music to your video. Here in this app you can add music or sound effects. Then you can add a sticker or a photo from your gallery. Here you can add any text in your video. Now you can add any filter or effect to your video, and in this app you have a lot of them. Now the most important step in editing is trimming. So here you have three choices in trimming. First, you can trim a part from your video. Second, you can cut a part in middle of your video. Third, you can split your video into two parts and add transition between them. Here you have the option of changing the background of the video or the black frames around the video. Here also you can change the speed of the video. Here you can add a transition between your videos, and it's important to add them because it makes your video looks better. Now it's time to save your video. Just choose the quality of the video and then we are done with this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more and like the video.